gosh. This is so cool. Oh.
Happy Easter, you guys.
Happy Easter. Jayo, you want to get your basket?
That's what you want yourself? That LOL? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she trying to get to her stuff. Okay. Okay, Jayla, why don't you help pass everybody their baskets?
Hey, Mama, this is for you, okay? Okay.
Yeah, that's yours, Jada. I'm sorry, baby.
Here.
Pass James his other basket. Where's James' other basket? Where's his other? No, it's just right here. And then where's his little computer stuff?
What are you? Here.
That's Mumi's. And that's her big LOL. Give that to Jade.
Mommy, look! Mommy, look!
Oh, she's beautiful. I love it.
Look, guys!
So this one's Bella's?
What? Yes.
Look what you got. Look. Ooh, what's this?
Over there, what about it? Looks like a Olivia one. So we have her.
Here. Hold on, I'm opening it. I want to get 2 eggs. How long, man?
Yes.
Where'd it go?
I know what you're talking about.
Things are showing you. Get that JLs, get that.
This?
Yeah, I needed some time too. There it is, look.
Oh my god! Look at
I think they're saying things going crazy. I got 2 cotton candies. Yeah, I think you did this, sugar. You got 2 cotton candies.
No, you have 1 cotton candy. Let me see.
Where's my child? Where's my puppy?
Right here.
Let me see your troll.
How much candy you gonna eat? Is this even yours? Is this hers?
Look at Jimmy.
Oh, I love it. Hot Wheels.
You press it.
Look, you still got candy right here. Look.
Junior.
Press it. Those don't land. That's so cute.
Where's my other bucket at? Right here.
So cute, Mommy.
Oh, you got it to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. That whole room. Look at me.
Good one.
I don't know. What is this?
It's oh look, Mommy, we still had this wolf for her teacher.
Look at it.
And I got Mickey Mouse! Yeah.
You got masks too. Yes.
Yes, you have two.
That's not that. Not that.
Oh, I know, but this is the thing you was talking about? To get the stuff with your face?
No, I got that. I bought that too.
Oh yeah, I need that. I'm gonna put that on later on tonight. Oh, this is what you want? 260s. Look. I just want to just me that.
What?
It's horrible.
And you guys, gifts are in there from Grandma too. I'll show you guys. She sent you guys some candy and
I know what she's trying to
Guys,
do.
when it comes to those, say thank you, Grandma. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Grandma.
where you going?
To my room. I think I'm going upstairs now.
Now you going upstairs?
Yeah.
You going upstairs too?
Yeah, I'm helping.
Yeah.
Hot chips, hot chips, those are very hot.
They hot.
Yes, those chips are so hot.
Oh, then I better not get me none. You taking your stuff upstairs now?
Yes.
You gonna come back and get everything else?
Yes.
Okay.
Look, Mommy. I didn't get a puppet.
What you mean a puppet?
You know those things you got them? I didn't get a puppet. Oh, my hand.
Where did you go?
Okay.
Yep.
This is not yours. I like it.
Why is it two pockets?
Is this Junior? This is mine. Is yes.
Let me see.
Yes. It's a puppet show. Yes.
That's Junior's. You forgot about you had another basket bug? Aw. Don't spill it, bug. You spilling it all out?
Who's this?
Yeah, who poopsies that?
Mine, right?
Let me see. Oh, no, that's Giselle's. Oh, Giselle, look.
That was cool.
Go get your poopsie, baby.
Don't get poopsies. Giselle has two poopsies left.
That's not yours, Mama. I think that's Junior's.
It's mine, Mama. This is mine. She took a
You have a girl one.
She took a lollipop out. You have a girl one, Mama.
What's that, Giselle?
It's got two elbows. It's a poopsie, but she can talk.
She can talk? Let me see.
I don't want we have for Christmas. She can't dance. Only the rainbow one.
Oh, she looks cool.
I'm gonna open it. Oh. These are like Christmas gifts. They're so cool.
She's so cool.
Look at that. Mommy, can I pick up the lollipop?
Yeah, that's yours. But don't eat no more candy right now, okay? Maybe later after y'all eat some dinner, then you can have more candy. No more candy right now.
And I'm gonna go get one some more. What?
You take my lucky one.
Oh, these.
You made a mess.
Are they all the same?
I don't know what's inside them.
They sound like you.
It's remix, hair flip, pets, and hair flip again.
Hi.
Okay, look under this table. Mommy, look under this table. This one is clean. Why the clean? Hold on.
about here.
It's not that hole. Let's go. Wait, I can't. Oh.
Come here. Yeah, she wants you to look at her.
Oh, yeah. I like the monkey one. Look, guys. Look, Jaya. Jaya, look. Look, Jaya. What is that? A diamond. It's cool. Yeah, I'm going to put it on the side to catch her. No.
You want to play tag with Buggy? Buggy, you want to play tag?
Come on, Jaya, let's go get him. Come on, let's go get Buggy.
What's the matter?
You guys ready to play freeze tag again?
Targeter, imagine.
Yay!